Hi guys, it's Gingineer. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, magsusolve na naman tayo ng another age problem for civil service exam. So simulan na natin. Jeb is 14 years younger than Ed. In 6 years, Ed will be thrice as old as Jeb. How old is Jeb 4 years from now? Okay, so isulat lang natin yung mga given, no? So meron tayo ditong si Jeb and si Ed. Okay, so iset natin as variable x si Jeb, variable y naman si Ed. Okay, so tignan natin yung mga condition, no? So first condition, Jeb is 4 years younger than Ed. Okay, so mas bata daw ng 14 years si Jeb. So, si Jeb is variable x and si Ed naman is variable y. So, magma-minus tayo dito guys ng 14. Okay, so nagawa na natin guys yung first equation natin. So, tignan naman natin yung second condition. Sabi dito, in 6 years. So, in 6 years, that is in the future, no? So, mag-a-add tayo ng 6 sa variable x and variable y. So, ang mangyayari, x plus 6 na si Jeb, y plus 6 naman na si Ed. Okay, so dito tayo ngayon kukuha ng equation natin. So, sabi dito, Ed will be thrice as old as Jeb. So, si Ed daw na y plus 6, thrice daw yung age niya kay Jeb. So, 3 times x plus 6. Okay, so meron na tayong dalawang equation. So, sino nga ba ulit yung hinahanap guys? How old is Jeb? So, si Jeb is variable x. So, dapat may iwan dito guys is variable x, no? So, ang gagawin natin, itong first equation natin, gawin natin siya in terms of y. So, magiging y na yung i-isolate natin. So, y is equal to x, yung negative 14, lilipat sa kabila, magiging plus 14 na. So, meron na tayong value ni y. Okay, so i-plug in lang natin siya guys sa second equation natin. So, y or x plus 14 plus 6 equal to 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 6, that is 18. Okay, so ayusin lang natin. X plus 14 plus 6, that is 20, is equal to 3x plus 18. So, pagsamahin lang natin guys, no, yung mga same variables. So, iisang variable lang naman na si variable x. So, itong x dito, ililipat natin sa kabila, and itong 18 dito, ililipat naman natin siya sa kabila. Okay, so ang mangyayari, so magiging 3x minus x, and then sa left side naman, yung 20 na naiwan, minus yung 18. Okay, so 3x minus x, that is 2x. 20 minus 18, that is 2. Okay, so i-divide lang natin both side ng 2. Makakancel si 2, x na lang yung matitira. So, 2 over 2 or that is 1. So, meron na tayong value ni x. Pero yan na ba yung sagot natin guys? Hindi pa, kasi sabi dito, how old is Jeb 4 years from now? Ibig sabihin, that is in the future, magdadagdag pa tayo ng plus 4 years. So, sa 1 na sagot natin, 1 plus 4, magdadagdag tayo ng 4. So, final answer natin guys is 5. Nasundan ba guys? So, letter C. Okay, so yun lang, no? So, ganun lang mag-solve ng age problem. Sana na natuto kayo. So, kita-kits tayo sa next problem or sa next video ko.